Hello world, this is What's Up 290, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to install the completed version of Microsoft's new version of the Edge browser, which is based on Google Chrome on Windows 10, and I believe that you install it for Mac OS from this page too. The download link will be in the description. So what you want to do is just click on the link in the description, and it'll open up this page here. And just click Get the new Microsoft Edge now, and it'll download an installer file. And then what you want to do is just run the setup file, and that's it. It'll install the new Chrome-based version of Edge on your computer. It is a little strange, you'd think that they would release it as an operating system update, but they didn't do that. And when installing, you just open the browser, and here it is. Sorry for the cropping effect. But here's YouTube in the browser, and it's very similar to Google Chrome in how it looks. So if you want to, you can just download the browser and try it out. See what you think. That's about it for this video. If you liked it, leave a like, comment, subscribe. This is What's Up 290, and I'm signing off. Have a nice day, and I'll see you next video.